Hello Year 7, welcome to our assembly on confidence and me.
So what is confidence? Confidence means being able to say, "Do you know what? I believe I can do this." So how do you build your confidence? Actively seek discomfort. That may seem strange, but it's about stepping out of your comfort zone, challenging yourself. Sometimes it can feel uncomfortable, but have a growth mindset. Believe that the more you try, the better you will get.
Seek discomfort, have a growth mindset, and remember no one's perfect. If it matters, have a plan, follow it. Find your team of supporters. Don't be unsure, ask or find out. Visualise getting to success. Focus on the effort, not just the outcome. Replace negative self-talk with positive self-talk. Don't give up, even if things don't go to plan. And remember to celebrate every success. You could model, copy on how successful people behave. Confidence building challenges. What would get you out of your comfort zone? Remember, compliment yourself. You could try a new sport or club. You could just help somebody. You could set a goal to improve a grade. You could be organised for a day or even a week. Look at keeping a success diary. Make a new friend. Volunteer for something. All of this contributes to confidence building.
So let's unpack some myths about confidence. Number 1, confident people don't feel fear. That's not true. Confident people feel fear also, but the difference is they don't give up. They keep going. Number 2, people are confident because they did something big and amazing. No, that's not always true. Every small success can help you feel more and more confident. Again, it's something that we build on. Number 3, confident people feel confident all of the time. Everyone has things they don't feel so confident about. There's always something. Number 4, confident people don't get criticized. Everyone gets criticized. We all do. But the trick is to spot how it can help you to improve and get better. Confident people get it 100% right all of the time. Everybody makes mistakes. Again, it's something that we all do. But let's spot how we can learn from them and build upon them. And the last one, I will never be confident. Let's turn that language around. Yes, you can. You can be confident. Many successful people have developed their confidence, and so can you. So how will you build your confidence? Well, we've got a few things that you can have a look at. Think of at least one benefit you will get from feeling more confident. Think of at least one everyday thing you can start doing to build your confidence. It could be something small, but it all adds up. And lastly, think of at least one action that will take you out of your comfort zone and allow you to stretch and challenge yourself. So Year 7, I hope you've been listening. I hope you've been making a few notes. And this is something that we can all learn from. Miss McDermott and myself, we're all building on our confidence every day. We are no different. So enjoy, take care, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.